main new bed. In the right one, with 110 pounds.
André, Flores.
And with 143 pounds.
Carlos Miguel.
With 180 pounds.
Celeste, Zenteno.
And for Hewitt with 165 pounds. Let's get ready to rumble. So, we're gonna do an, we're talking about airport. Airport Zapata spare parts. We're gonna buy system. So, the context, the technologies applied to a stable commercial system did not appear until 80s. In this way, the companies or person dedicated to sell products found more ground to commercialize their products. Okay. The technological revolution could change the world and could change the new trends and adapt to new trends. In this way, the creation of web page was and is necessary to in this new reality. And also updates to the systems, and we have to grow up the system.
When we make a website, my name is André, Gonzalo, first general, and I explain the justification. In the face of the technology trends, the development of some business can be really identified as a web system that allows it to show its products or devices for advertising. The reason why a web system is deployed for spare parts is a very important of this, since it has a large number of customers, of which none have time or the possibility of going personally for the parts or name their dogs. That is why a web system is deployed for a spare part. And the way to adapt the website is the best form to or the master page to the project and create.
On the other hand, the context is usually the project deals with the creation of the auto parts stores and with other auto parts models. And since other auto parts stores are unattractive and confusing, and we were making or style. In this part, the creation of this kind of systems lies in making something friendly with the system and somewhat minimalistic. The reason why we are going to do this project is simple. We want the client be or can interactive to better way, better things, and we don't want the client interactive with a confusing and unattractive system.
So, the objective of this project is given with this project is giving it a new and fresh imagery. Is to optimize the use of the page, and is that for the customers is the most important thing. Around the opinions, because the more we listen to them, the happier our customers with the products. So when we conduct the interviews for the future and the new website needs the client has realized that some parts of his site were wrong because he left everything in the house of the older engineers. Of course, this is very common because they don't usually recognize the needs of the public or the company. That's why we view of this store. And so the team hope we need to check the progress and corrections with the management. So that having to finish this project, we can focus in the details or on a new project.
Hello, my name is
most interesting to catch customer. And the image in the left is before, and the image on the right is after. Okay, the interface should be simple and easy to use. As we can see, this first part is very saturated and it is complicated to work. The interface is we are developing is minimalist but functional. The menu is simple but functional. We avoid data redundancy. Our menu includes catalog, application, brands, system types, kits, offers, and search.
The pointer tree is products. The products can be seen from the menu on the carousel that we have at the beginning version of brand okay. The director, like in the sign for his assignment, prefers the colorful.
View the products. The view show the selected products, but with the important section, which is also a description, is the price, is the SKU. The SKU that will be like I can see is the code or the folio or the invoice, and important characters for the product. In addition to when you pass the cursor from the image, it's a zoom. This will help to visualize better the image. Not only can you view the products after the game, but also related products. Now the layer is very important. Same way the client needs some products. Remember that some people can do this car, or in this case, it's tractor, or it's boost, or this gun. Related products show use on spark groups and he takes both and not only one product. This is important, like it's like shopping cart, and this you can see in so many pages in the web. And this is very important. But what is the important to view the products? I can explain some good design thing like a description, but it's better with an example. Imagine that you go into your favorite store, and when you arrive at this, the store looks distracted or disorganized, or includes this looks as dirty. I don't know if you, but I'm really scared about this because it's important the form that the customer looks the website, and the same thing happens with this website, and is where the pretty importance comes in. Layer 4 is the view of the products, like we can from the image, and we can see it with the zoom. Let's see the better the product and the details of this. And the other is a form we can rewrite the products, or the form is the organized in the page.
Now we have the receipts that are the important points. So the page is much better organized than the old refreshment. So when you see the website, it's more difficult to see even so close, so you're confused and, oh, I don't know, I can see it very well, I can't interact it very well. The second point is the new refreshment has a carousel of image where marks pass. Okay, when you visit the website, on the other hand, you can see image, but many store parts have many layers, so you can maybe associate the image with the company or the person, etc. The products, they can be modified once they have been purchased. It's like system points, like Amazon, Mercado Libre, marketplace and that kind of things.
Finally, the conclusion. The website not only a website, not only a system web, it's must be the instrument to be running on the website facility to find the correct info about the product or services. They are offered for the consumers or the client. That is why generating the best option for the competition because it's being upgraded via reality for this. Since this is going to be the best instrument today to reach the most difficult corners of the world. Why? Because everyone is connected at the network system by a cell phone and computer. And why is this? Because where we can see everyone and sees everything. And we can get our goals in a very easy form or the easy way in this form. Therefore, the decision of the site becomes of the most important. Becoming the most important of our task, yes, it's ambitious, but it's a successful project.
So to end, I'm going to play a little song. So I hope you appreciate it, and I hope I don't run. So.